Kahapon po si Senator Trillanes nag-file po ng plunder and graft cases versus the former president and kay Senator Bongo related to for awarding billions of pesos worth of infrastructure projects to two firms, CLTG Builders pati yung Alfrego Builders, related to the father of Senator Bongo pati ang kanyang kapatid na related din naman daw sa flood control project sa Davao. What do you make of that? That was filed before the Ombudsman. Do you welcome that? How do you see this move by the senator?
Well, that's the third time I think he filed the same case. I think he filed that again. Filed that in 2019, 2021, and then 2025. Basta para pangatlong beses na niyang final yung kasong yan. At finally, dinala niya na sa ombudsman. So, okay naman yan. Nasa batas naman yan. Mag-imbestiga tayo. But my take on this, kung mag-iimbestiga tayo ng isa, dapat mag-iimbestiga tayo ng lahat. Walang pilian. Dahil, flood control lang pinag-uusapan dito ngayon. Biglang ang layo ng talon doon na sa 2016, 2017, 2018. And flood control scandal, nagsimula yan 2022, 23, 24, 25. Biglang ibabalik nyo sa 2016. Okay, we know this is politics. Alam natin that this is government playbook na pagka may problema ang administrasyon, isusisiro sa nakalang administrasyon. But fine, sa akin nasa batas yan, mag-imbestiga tayo. Pero mag-imbestiga tayo lahat ng senador, lahat ng congressman, lahat ng opisyal na napasok sa korupsyon, lalo na sa flood control. Imbestigahan natin, sabay-sabay sa Blue Ribbon Committee, sabay-sabay. Kasi, ma'am, merong master list. Hawak ng DPWH, ng DBM, Blue Ribbon Committee, at dapat meron din ng ICI. Merong master list ng lahat ng congressman, senador at distrito na merong flood control projects.